In 2024, Airbnb arbitrage remains a lucrative avenue for individuals seeking to capitalize on the sharing economy and generate substantial income. This strategy involves leasing properties from landlords or owners and subsequently listing them on Airbnb for short-term rentals at premium rates. The allure of Airbnb arbitrage lies in its ability to exploit the disparity between long-term rental fees and the higher rates achievable through Airbnb, allowing individuals to pocket the profit margin. This approach offers a flexible and scalable income stream, tapping into the popularity of short-term rentals while requiring minimal upfront investment compared to traditional real estate ventures. To illustrate the monetary potential, consider an arbitrager leasing multiple properties and listing them on Airbnb. By strategically setting competitive rental rates, maintaining excellent guest satisfaction, and implementing effective property management practices, it's conceivable for an arbitrager to generate significant monthly revenues. With careful planning and diligent execution, earning $20,000 per month through Airbnb arbitrage is within reach for proficient arbitragers operating in high-demand markets. The key to achieving such substantial income lies in identifying properties with favorable rental potential, negotiating advantageous lease terms, and optimizing Airbnb listings to attract guests. Additionally, arbitrageurs must stay abreast of market trends, adjust pricing strategies accordingly, and provide exceptional customer service to maintain positive reviews and ratings. By continually refining their approach and leveraging the scalability of Airbnb arbitrage, individuals can realize considerable financial success and secure a steady stream of income in 2024's dynamic rental market. One notable advantage of Airbnb arbitrage lies in its accessibility, presenting a lower barrier to entry compared to traditional real estate investment. Unlike conventional property acquisition, which typically demands substantial capital, Airbnb arbitrage offers a pathway to passive income with minimal upfront investment. This characteristic makes it particularly appealing to individuals seeking to diversify their income streams or embark on entrepreneurial ventures without requiring significant financial resources. By leveraging this opportunity, aspiring arbitrageurs can enter the real estate market and start generating income through short-term rentals, even with limited funds at their disposal. This accessibility democratizes the opportunity for wealth creation within the sharing economy, allowing individuals from diverse financial backgrounds to participate and potentially thrive in 2024's evolving rental landscape. Furthermore, Airbnb arbitrage provides a dynamic platform for individuals to expand their income streams with flexibility and scalability. This model empowers arbitrageurs to swiftly scale their operations by securing multiple property leases and subsequently listing them on Airbnb. Such scalability fosters the growth of rental portfolios, enabling individuals to augment their income potential progressively. This flexibility allows arbitrageurs to adapt to changing market conditions, seize new opportunities, and diversify their investments, thereby optimizing their revenue streams over time. By leveraging this adaptable approach, individuals can navigate the rental market landscape and capitalize on emerging trends to achieve sustainable growth and financial success in 2024 and beyond. Moreover, Airbnb arbitrage offers the advantage of yielding higher rental returns in comparison to conventional long-term leasing arrangements. Through listing properties on Airbnb for short-term occupancy, arbitrageurs can command premium rates, particularly in sought-after locales or during peak travel periods. This ability to capitalize on transient demand translates into increased profitability, as arbitrageurs can secure elevated rental incomes that surpass those achievable through traditional long-term rentals. This heightened earning potential serves as a compelling incentive for individuals seeking to maximize their returns on investment in the dynamic rental market of 2024. Furthermore, Airbnb arbitrage allows individuals to diversify their income streams and mitigate risk by renting out properties in different locations or targeting different types of travelers, such as tourists, business travelers, or long-term renters. Moreover, thorough market research and due diligence are imperative for individuals embarking on Airbnb arbitrage ventures. This entails carefully analyzing various factors such as property location, demand trends, competition levels, and regulatory requirements. By conducting comprehensive market research, arbitrageurs can identify properties with optimal rental potential and assess their suitability for Airbnb listings. Factors such as proximity to attractions, transportation hubs, and amenities can influence property demand and rental rates. Additionally, understanding local regulations and zoning laws pertaining to short-term rentals is crucial to ensure compliance and mitigate legal risks. By leveraging market insights and conducting meticulous due diligence, individuals can make informed decisions and maximize the profitability of their Airbnb arbitrage endeavors in 2024 and beyond. Moreover, arbitrageurs must carefully negotiate lease agreements with landlords to ensure favorable terms and conditions that allow for subleasing on platforms like Airbnb. Additionally, arbitrageurs must adhere to local laws and regulations governing short-term rentals to avoid potential legal issues or fines. For optimal profitability, arbitrageurs must prioritize enhancing the guest experience and garnering positive reviews on Airbnb. This entails investing in property upgrades and amenities to elevate guest satisfaction. Measures may include outfitting properties with contemporary furnishings, offering essential amenities like Wi-Fi and toiletries, and ensuring consistent cleanliness and maintenance. By focusing on these aspects, arbitrageurs can foster a favorable impression among guests, ultimately driving occupancy rates and boosting profitability in the competitive short-term rental market. Arbitrage should also develop effective pricing strategies to optimize occupancy rates and rental income. This may involve adjusting rental rates based on demand, seasonality, and competitor pricing, as well as offering discounts or promotions to attract guests during off-peak periods. Furthermore, arbitrageurs can leverage technology and automation tools to streamline operations and manage Airbnb listings efficiently. This includes using channel management software to synchronize property listings across multiple platforms, employing dynamic pricing algorithms to adjust rates in real time, and utilizing property management platforms to handle guest communication, bookings, and maintenance requests. Additionally, arbitrageurs can differentiate their Airbnb listings and attract guests by offering unique experiences or amenities tailored to their target audience. This may include organizing guided tours, providing local recommendations, or offering personalized concierge services to enhance the guest experience. Arbitrageurs should also prioritize guest satisfaction and reputation management to maintain positive reviews and ratings on Airbnb. By delivering exceptional customer service, responding promptly to guest inquiries and concerns, and addressing any issues or complaints promptly, arbitrageurs can build a positive reputation and attract repeat guests. Moreover, arbitrageurs can leverage data analytics and performance metrics to track key performance indicators such as occupancy rates, average nightly rates, and revenue per available room RevPAR. This data-driven approach allows arbitrageurs to identify trends, optimize pricing strategies, and make informed decisions to maximize profitability. In summary, Airbnb arbitrage remains a promising avenue for generating income in 2024, tapping into the sharing economy's potential and addressing the short-term accommodation demand. Despite its accessible nature, scalability, and promising returns, realizing success demands meticulous planning, exhaustive market analysis, and flawless execution. By adhering to proven strategies such as property enhancement, strategic pricing, and delivering exceptional service, arbitrageurs can optimize their earning potential and establish a thriving Airbnb arbitrage enterprise. Achieving an income of $20,000 or more per month through this venture is entirely feasible with diligent effort and effective management. As the rental landscape evolves in 2024 and beyond, embracing innovation, adapting to market shifts, and prioritizing guest satisfaction remain critical for long-term success in the Airbnb arbitrage arena.